Hello friend, welcome once again to my channel How to Know. Today I'm going to tell you about the what is the future movement in BTC, and I will again tell you about the Shiba Inu and other tokens. Today in this session I'm going to tell about the BTC and its prediction, what it is going to do in the future. So let us start the video. First of all, you have to log in on the gate.io. After logging in the gate.io, just you have to go in the market section and you have to click on the market price. The page will be open. Here you can find the multiple tokens. As we are going to analyze BTC, so we have to select BTC here and let us start the analyzing BTC. To analyze BTC, just let's full screen the chart first. Then after we will analyze it. I have already drawn the its support and resistance. Okay, here you can see the best support is 41,841 rupees. Its support and resistance is 51,791. If BTC is breaking 51,791, then it will be bullish. And if it is breaking its support, which is 41,841, then it will become a a down to earth movement, and it will be go up to let wait, I am telling you at what price it can go further. Like if it is breaking its support of 41,841, then it will be stop at 29,123, which is very rare case. So to further analyze, just we have to select 1 week chart. Here you can see I have to draw a line. I called it trend line. Just I have to select here, and here you go. Okay, then again I will draw a resistance line by taking it here. This will be the support and resistance of this movement. As you can see here and here. So according to this, the support will be 36,679 and resistance will be 66,562. And if it is breaking this resistance 66,562, then it will be reach up to 72,000. So you need to be with the BTC, and please trade carefully. Okay, so hope you are enjoying this video, and you will like this video. So if you want any new video on the BTC analyzation, then please do comment and subscribe my channel, and use subscription link to get sign up on the gate.io in description section. Thank you all. Thanks for watching video.